EduFire Toolkit has developed multidisciplinary educational resources following a project-based learning methodology aimed at secondary school teachers and students aged between 12 and 16. They focus on the prevention of forest fires in the current context of climate change. All resources are freely accessible for students. Teachers must register and can do so free of charge. To register, click on this tab and enter your personal details. Once registered, you can log in with your username and password and access all the content. Next, we will explore the online platform where the teaching resources are created. Let's start with the learning challenges, which are directed by the teachers for the 9 units created. They are classified into 2 modules. Module 1 is aimed at students aged 12 to 14. Module 2 is aimed at students aged 14 to 16. They are structured into the following format: a main objective, a description of the challenge, the linked units, the types of results, the material needed, the scope of impact, and the description of the activity with the tasks to be developed. Continuing with the material for teachers, we find a handbook that aims to help teachers to present the content of the project to students in a concise, easy to follow and attractive format. We also find the syllabus for the 9 content units. Each unit contains information and resources needed to complete the proposed activities. And related to each unit, we find a presentation with summary slides of each unit. In the last section for teachers, we see a guide for community engagement, a guide with information to engage community members and build a stronger and more connected community to deal with wildfires. The same document includes a quick guide and an extensive guide with expanded content. We also find the section for students classified according to the 2 modules. From each unit, we find didactic activities related to the syllabus. Finally, as a summary of the platform, we see a tab with the section with material for students and the section with material for teachers. There are also summaries of the pilot tests carried out in the different countries of the project. And finally, a collaborative map showing activities and projects related to the EduFire Toolkit. So, the resources relate to different subjects and demonstrate how the concepts are interconnected. Thus it adapts to the educational needs and diversity of the students. In summary, we have created a series of teaching materials using a practical and multidisciplinary approach, which we hope will be useful for teachers and students to achieve a wildfire-resistant society.